Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making pancakes. So the first time of you seeing my video, you're welcome to my channel. My returning viewers are equally welcome. Don't forget to join the family by clicking on that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, drop your comment in the comment section, and lastly share this video. So now I'm going to be mixing the dry ingredients together. I have my flour and I just added my baking powder. You can see I'm adding my sugar. So now I just added my dry pepper and I'm going to be mixing all the dry ingredients together. And now I'm going to be mixing my egg. As you can see, I'm just pouring my egg into the bowl. Just pouring my eggs. After which I'm going to be adding the milk flavor. You can use normal milk or you can use milk flavor. You can see I'm adding my milk flavor inside. After which I'm going to be adding butter. I want to add my butter. Okay, so I'm going to be mixing them together. I'm adding my water. After mixing them together, I'm going to be adding water into it. So now I'm going to be pouring in my water. And the water I added before was not enough. That's why I added another water again. So I'm going to be mixing them together. After now, I'm going to be pouring in the liquid inside the dry ingredients. As you can see, I want to pour them inside the dry ingredients. So now I'm going to be mixing everything together. I'm going to be mixing everything together. So now it's time to fry our pancakes. I'm going to be using butter to fry the pancakes. I just added a little butter into a pot. After which I'm going to be adding the pancake inside. If you're getting value from this video and you have not subscribed, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, drop your comment in the comment section, and also share this video. Guys, as you can see, our pancake is ready. Pancake is ready. It's eating time. Time to eat and enjoy our pancake. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.